Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agile Tech. Today we are going to see how to fix can't install Garena Free Fire app. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe our channel. Let's start. Now click on the Play Store. Click on the profile button on the top of side. Now click on the settings. Now click on the network preferences. Now go to app download preferences. In this you have to make sure that your over any network option has to be selected. After doing this, go back and click on the settings. Now in the settings, click on app management. Go to app list. Now search for the Google Play Store. After opening Google Play Store, you have to force stop the app first. Force stop it. Now go to the storage usage. You have to clear data and clear cache. After clearing data cache, click on the two dots on the top corner. Click on the uninstall updates. After doing this, go back and go to the Google Play services. Now go to storage usage. Now you have to clear data, clear cache of Google Play services. Now clear data first. Go back and clear cache now. After doing this, go back and click on the two dots on the top corner. Click on Show System Apps and search for the Download Manager. Go to the Download Manager. Go to Storage Usage. And in this also you have to clear data and clear cache. Click OK. Clear cache. Now go back and just restart your phone. Your problem has been resolved. Thank you.